Hello. Hi.
Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are always healthy. Today is a sunny day, isn't it? A sunny day is a perfect time for making a delicious snacks. How about we make bakwan from the materials we have? Then check it out. These are the tools and materials I used. First, we have some vegetables. There is cabbage, carrots, chilies, shallots, scallions, and celery. The second, there is a salt and also food seasoning. We also have flour, there is a knife and chopping board. The first thing I did was slice the shallots. There is no provision for the amount of shallots, so you all can adjust it according to your taste. Anyway, I really like shallot, so I use a lot of shallot into it. In addition to its delicious taste, shallots have various benefits for our body. One of that is helping the digestive process because shallots have content of fiber. Oh, I'm sorry. I speed up the video so it's not make all of you worrying. Okay, when it's done, put the sliced off shallot on a plate. And next, slice the chili. The amount of chili can be adjusted according to your taste. So, if you don't like spicy, you can replace chili with other vegetables. Oh yeah, don't forget to put the chili slices on the plate, okay? For the next step is to slice the scallions. The amount of scallions is also according to your taste. Isn't scallion so delicious and refreshing? I like it very much. How about you? What vegetables do you like the most? Please write in the comment column. Yep, slicing celery is the next step I do. Remember, don't forget to wash all the vegetables with clean water before slicing. And also don't forget to wash your hands and make sure the place you cook must be sterile. Carrots are the next vegetable I slice. Many people don't like to eat carrots, but carrots are perfect for making bakwan. It also tastes very fresh. It's quite difficult to slice carrots, so you have to be careful. When I was little, my mother used to boil carrots for me to keep my eyes healthy. So I'm very used to eating carrots until now. However, if I currently have to eat a large portion of boiled carrots, it's a bit difficult for me, I know. By the way, isn't slicing carrots really fun? I really like the sound of it. Ah, I'm sorry for not showing the sound. It's because my house is very noisy. Next time, I will put on the voice. Okay, the last one is slicing cabbage. The cabbage is so big that it's a bit tough, so you have to be careful too. After all the vegetables have been sliced, the next step is to combine the vegetables into the bowl. Pour the flour that has the seasoning into the bowl and then mix well. And the next, add plain flour and mix well. Remember, don't forget to add tapioca flour so that the bakwan becomes chewy. I didn't use the measure for the flour, so it follows your feelings. Add seasoning and salt to taste so that the bakwan becomes delicious. Then stir it well. Pour enough water so that the dough comes together and it is easy to shape. Don't let the dough be too runny. Finally, we start frying the dough. To fry it, use medium heat so that the dough is perfectly cooked, but doesn't burn on the surface. It smells so good. I cannot wait to eat it. For your information, bakwan is one of the typical Indonesian snacks that is easy to make. Ta-da! Bakwan is ready to eat. The color is so pretty, isn't it? Because there were so many, I shared them with my neighbors. For me, I put bakwan on plate, and for my neighbors, I will put bakwan in a container with beautiful decorations. I decorated it with a ribbon that said Brechees. It's very pretty, isn't it? So, here is my story of making bakwan with makeshift ingredients. The bakwan is very delicious, and you must try it at home. Good luck! Thank you for watching this video, everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also ring the bell.